For many years, Heritage Industries has been an integral part of the progression and success of many companies. As part of the Campbell Company's family, we're committed to our core values of safety, people, stewardship, and integrity.
We've had Heritage design us a new truck body that has a hydraulic tool circuit, which is, we used to cut boards with electric motors. Now we can cut them with the hydraulic, which is a huge time saving for us. And also we've introduced the 800 amp dual op Miller welder, so we can run 2 guys to 1 truck.
The NV80 that Heritage designed has all the features that we really could ask for. The skid in the back of these vans are completely removable, so if we end up having a problem with the van that needs to get looked at, we can pull the skid out and put it inside of a pickup truck and keep on running and not slow down. So our uptime is definitely increased with the flexibility of these vans.
We know that equipment is vital to the operation and overall profitability of the companies in which we serve. And that's why we're committed to the success and uptime of that equipment. At Heritage Industries, we truly are supporting the ones who build our world.